What's the meaning of arrogant? Arrogant. Arrogant.
Arrogant. Arrogant. The term arrogant refers to a person displaying an exaggerated sense of their own self-importance or abilities. Such individuals tend to belittle others and dominate any conversation or interaction they are part of. This behavior often stems from a feeling of superiority or entitlement, leading to a lack of consideration for others' feelings or opinions. Arrogance can lead to negative consequences in both personal and professional relationships, as it can breed resentment and a lack of trust. It is important to recognize and address this behavior to maintain healthy and respectful interactions with others.